Are you looking for a way to solve Pokemon Go lagging and FPS drop issues on your iPhone? If your answer is yes, don't worry. Here's the advanced solution. By following this, you can solve this lagging and FPS drop problem on the Pokemon Go game. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Adjust graphics settings on Pokemon Go. Open the Pokemon Go game, and now tap on the Pokemon icon. After that, tap on the settings at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Here, you can see the Advanced Settings option. Tap on it, scroll down, and toggle on the native refresh rate option. Simply go back and check your issue whether it's solved or not. If you still find the issue, then try this advanced solution below. Solution 2. Refresh the background app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. After that, tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Off and check your issue. Solution 3. Check whether you have enough storage to save photos or videos. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone Storage and check whether you have storage or not. If you find that it's almost full, then try to free up some storage. Delete some unnecessary apps, images, or high-resolution videos. After that, give a simple restart to your phone and check your problem, whether it's solved or not. So, this is how you can solve this lag and FPS drop issue on the Pokemon Go game. But still, if you have any issues, then ask me in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.